Signing a PDF file directly on your phone is super easy. I'll show you how. First, make sure you have the Google Drive app installed on your phone and update it to the latest version for the best experience. Open your file manager, then tap the PDF file until it's checked. Next, tap the More menu and choose Open in another app. You'll see several apps that can open PDFs, but select Drive PDF Viewer for this process. Tap the pencil icon at the bottom right corner, then in the pen tool, pick black color and set the size to 3. Now sign your name like this. Once signed, save a copy of the PDF file. You can choose the file name, save location, and Drive account as you prefer. Now let's open the signed PDF file. On your home screen, open Google Drive. Tap the More menu at the top left, then select Recent. PDF file you just signed should appear at the top like this. Let's open it right away. See, the signature is still there. This file is ready to share or download, so you can save it to your internal memory. Easy, right? Please subscribe to our channel for more cool tips like this.